Hey guys, Joe Pye here at Advanced Innovations in Austin, Texas. You know, today is a very special day for me. The UPS driver, Caesar, just dropped off a little black box from YouTube, and I know it is a silver play button award for having surpassed 100,000 subscribers. So I just wanted to take a minute, do an unboxing video. I don't do those hardly ever, but this is a special occasion. I want to say thank you to everybody that subscribed, helped me hit that 100,000 mark, everyone that continues to subscribe, everyone that has sent in a gift, made a comment, made a view, sent me an email, support, compliments. Uh, the result of this channel has just been something that I never expected and never anticipated, and I am grateful and humble. I want to say thank you to Mr. Chuck Bomarito from the YouTube channel Outside Screwball. Many years ago, he gave me a shout out on his channel, and it lit the fuse on this channel, and it just steamrolled. So I will always hold Chuck dear to my heart. So thank you for that, Chuck. Let's take a look at the box behind me, and this is a good day for me. I'm extremely happy today. So I wanted to share this with you and say thank you, formally thank you. So here we go. Okay, I've cut the tape off of this thing, and we're just going to take a look, get right to it. Inside, we got a nice letter from the CEO of YouTube that congratulates you on your achievement. And drum roll, please. There you go. This is about 10 by 13. I can't tell if this is lasered on or silk screened onto the front of this, but this is absolutely beautiful. I am very pleased with this. This is a cutout, so this is a recess, and this insert here is, I would imagine, glued or double stick taped into the center of it to simulate a play button. It's about a ½ inch thick. It is set for framing or set for hanging on the wall. I am absolutely thrilled. Thank you everybody that helped me do this. I know this actually happened back in October of 2020, but it takes a while for everything to get through the process, so I was patient. Actually, I wasn't patient at all, and I'm just extremely thrilled. So thank you to everyone that helped me do that. I am very happy, very pleased, and very grateful. Thank you, everybody. Great day.